Okay, let's talk about the air fryer. So many of us have one sitting on our counter, but are we really getting the most out of it when it comes to our amazing Indian food? Today, we are going to unlock its true potential with some hacks that are seriously a game changer for everything from your samosas to your paneer tikka.
You know the feeling, right? You're so excited for those crispy air-fried pakoras, but they come out, well, a little soft, a little disappointing. Or maybe your chicken tikka ends up more chewy than beautifully charred. It's a super common frustration, but the good news is it's totally fixable. So, what is going wrong? Well, here's the simple truth. Most of us are treating the air fryer like it's just a tiny, really hot oven. We put the food in, press the button, and kind of cross our fingers. That might be fine for frozen fries, but for the amazing, complex flavors of Indian food, that approach is just not going to work.
And this right here gets to the heart of it. The Deshi method isn't just about heating things up, it's a whole different technique. It's about actively managing the moisture in our marinades and protecting all those delicate layers of spices. Once you nail that, everything changes. Okay, first things first, let's tackle the #1 goal for pretty much all of us, that perfect, satisfying crunch. This section is all about getting that addictive, street-style crispiness on your favorite snacks, every single time. Let's dive right in with a hack that is an absolute game changer for anything you want to be unbelievably crispy. I'm talking aloo tikki, harabara kebab, any kind of cutlet you can think of. The secret ingredient is suji, also called rava or semolina. Before you start frying, just give your tikkis or cutlets a really light dusting. A thin, even coat is all you need. Then just air fry it like you normally would. And the result is just incredible. The suji creates this amazing crunchy crust because it literally pulls moisture away from the surface while it cooks. It gives you a texture that is so close to deep frying, but without all that oil. It's fantastic. But hold on. Even with this brilliant soji trick, you can completely ruin your results with one simple mistake. This is, without a doubt, the single biggest reason people still end up with soggy food from their air fryer. You cannot overcrowd the basket. Seriously, this is a non-negotiable rule. An air fryer works by blasting super hot air all around the food. If your samosas or tikkis are all piled up and touching each other, that air just can't get through. And the spots where they touch, they trap moisture and steam instead of frying. For perfect results, always cook in a single layer, even if you have to do it in a couple of batches. Trust me, it's worth it. Now that we've totally mastered the ultimate crunch, let's move on to flavor. Specifically, that smoky, charred, authentic tandoori flavor that seems impossible to get at home. Well, it turns out you don't need a tandoor. All you need is your air fryer and a couple of really clever tricks. You know those beautiful, dark, caramelized spots on restaurant-style paneer tikka? That's not just burnt. No way. That's pure flavor. And there is a surprisingly easy way to create that perfect char right on your countertop. So what we're aiming for is this tandoori charred effect. It's that magical combination of smoky and a little bit sweet that happens when the sugars in the marinade caramelize under really intense heat. That's the exact taste we are going to replicate. So here's the technique. In the oil that you're using to brush your paneer or chicken, just mix in a tiny pinch of sugar. Cook as usual, and this is the key, for the last 2 to 3 minutes, crank the heat up really high. That little bit of sugar will caramelize almost instantly, giving you those perfect, flavorful, charred edges.
So the look and the taste are there, but what about the smell? That incredible smoky aroma that just tells you something amazing is about to be served. Yep, there's a hack for that too, and it is seriously impressive.
This is a traditional technique called the dungar method, adapted for the air fryer. So once your tikka is cooked, place a small heat-proof bowl right inside the basket. Add a piece of red-hot charcoal, carefully pour just a drop of ghee on it, and immediately shut the drawer. After just 2 minutes, that authentic, smoky flavor will have infused into your food. The aroma it's just unbelievable. Okay, from mastering textures and flavors, let's move into a rapid-fire round of pure kitchen magic. These are the smart, everyday hacks for reviving leftovers, and yes, the ultimate trick for an effortless cleanup. I'll start with a question that sounds, well, impossible. Is it actually possible to make a perfect hard-boiled egg without using a single drop of water?
In an air fryer, you absolutely can. Just place raw eggs straight into the basket, set it to about 135 degrees Celsius, that's 275 Fahrenheit, for around 15 minutes. They cook perfectly, they peel so easily, and there's no pot of boiling water to deal with. How cool is that? Next up, a problem we all face: day-old rotis that are stiff or parathas that have gone all limp. What if I told you the air fryer can make them taste like they were freshly made again?
And the method is a little different for each one. For a roti, spritz it lightly with water and air fry it for just 60 seconds. It comes out soft and pliable. For a paratha, you don't need any water at all. Just put it in directly for a minute or two, and it becomes beautifully crisp on the outside while staying soft inside.
And finally, let's talk about the aftermath. That lingering smell of garlic, ginger, and garam masala that just loves to stick around in your air fryer. Here's a foolproof trick to banish it completely. No scrubbing required for this one. Just pour about a cup of water into the air fryer basket, toss in a few slices of lemon, and run it at a high temperature for about 5 minutes. The lemon-infused steam will loosen any stuck-on food, and, more importantly, it will completely neutralize those stubborn spice odors. Your air fryer will be fresh and ready for your next meal. So there you have it. You're now equipped with the techniques to get consistently crispy snacks, to create real tandoori flavor, to bring leftovers back to life, and to clean up in a flash. You've just unlocked a whole new level of cooking. You've officially graduated from simply heating food to using your air fryer like a true daisy cooking pro. So the only question left is, with all these new skills, what are you going to make first?